Big alert, silver drops below $79 an ounce. Will it continue that on this Monday, March 16th? We're going to talk about that on this morning's gold and silver updates. Let's get started. Good morning, everybody. Happy Monday. Happy coffee, everybody. Wow, big news again this morning. Silver continues to drop, but why? Why is silver dropping? I'm going to reveal one of the reasons why silver is dropping this morning, and will it continue to drop throughout the day? It's a possibility, everybody, but let's talk about that before we get started. I want to tell all my viewers, thank you so much for your support of this channel, from my living room to your living room, everybody. I really appreciate it. I'm just the quarterback. You're the team, everybody. I throw the passes. Sometimes we throw interceptions. Sometimes you catch a really, really bad pass and then run it for a touchdown. But lately, we've been struggling a little bit driving down the field. But that's okay. It's never a bad time for silver and gold, whether it goes up or down. Thank you, everybody, all over the country, all over the world, everyone. Happy coffee to that. So, thanks, UK. Thanks, Australia. Thanks, Canada. Thank you, everybody. We're well on our way to 10,000 subscribers, everybody. Right now we are at, and some of you don't care, but that's okay. We are a team, so I like to give you guys updates on where we're at on the subscriber count and view counts. We're at 8,455 away from 10,000 subscribers, and that incredible Goldback that we're giving away that was provided to us by Goldback. And we certainly appreciate that. That was an amazing giveaway. Our view count right now, 909,628. Maybe by the end of the month, early next month, we'll be at 1 million views, guys. Another big milestone. So thank you so much, everyone. I appreciate you. You are the reason for this channel's success. You're the reason why I continue to do this, because, folks, I have a long job every day, 5, sometimes 6 days a week, and that is my primary income. So this is mainly for fun, for meeting people such as yourself, and making new friends. It's fantastic. I've had a lot of fun doing it. I've met a lot of new friends online, met a lot of new friends offline is coin shows. Mike's Gold and Silver is one of them. Joe's Gold and Silver is another. We got Ravenhawk, Thompson Coin and Stamped, Sober Stacker. Met a lot of great people, everybody. So it's been a lot of fun and really enjoy it. So let's get started with what is going on with gold and silver today. First time in a while, everybody, gold is down below $5,000 an ounce. It is at $4,985, $4,985. Charles, is that better? One of our viewers said, "Hey, SSC, can you not add the cents onto the gold price and everything?" And I'm like, well, I don't see why not if I can remember, but I did. I remembered. So 4,984. Going down a little bit, guys, down $33.10. So here we go. We got some issues. One of the reasons that we're going to talk about why our silver and gold's dipping, and you might be surprised, you might not, everybody, but silver right now is below $79 an ounce. It has dropped $1.87 overnight from the 80 mark it was holding. So We have dropped down below 79, first time in a while that's happened. We're at 78.57, down $1.87, guys. So far today, the only one that I see that's up is platinum. Platinum. Platinum is actually, well, it was. It was up $10. Now it's only up $1. So right as we do these videos, it's every time that I'm sitting there going. And by 9 o'clock, when some of you watch this, or this afternoon, silver will change. It'll all change again. So it's just fun doing these videos early in the morning, drinking some coffee, talking to my viewers. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, everybody. That helps the algorithm when you watch these things through. It looks at view count. It looks at view duration, engagement, all that good. How long you watch the video. It looks at all that, and that's how it pushes these videos. So without you, I go nowhere. So I'm at your mercy. Rhodium, 11,200, guys. Holding good and strong. The asking price is 12,200. So we're not quite there. So let's move on to Hong Kong. What are our Hong Kong prices today? They're down also. So is Mumbai. Hong Kong is at 5,011.75. Don't forget, we're going to show some world coins at the end of this video, as we are every day. 5,011.75 on gold for Hong Kong. So they're over the 5,000 mark. Mumbai is over the 5,000 mark. They're 5,013 on their gold and 80.19 on silver. London and the U.S. hadn't shown up yet. They will here in a little bit. Let's look at our gold to silver ratio, everybody. 63.61. 63.61 gold and silver. Gold's winning out just a little bit over silver. But, hey, guys, the green lights are on right now. Here we go, everyone. It's time to buy the dip. Or are you going to wait a little longer and see if silver comes down, if gold comes down? Are you going to wait a little longer to see if it goes down and then you're going to buy? Are you going to buy now? I mean, it's always a risk anytime you buy anything, whether it goes up or goes down. So, but right now it is a good time. This is an opportunity. This is an opportunity to buy silver. It's not going to stay this way forever. It's going to continue to go up. I preach that every day. It will go up. And these metals, guys, are really, they're a long-term hold, everyone. You know, you got to understand that. You just don't buy these as a short-term profit-making business. It doesn't really work that way. I used to think I could do it, and I guess you could if you hit an upswing right, if you hit the downswing right and bought cheap and then it went up, you could turn around and sell it. You could, yeah. If you played it right and it was your full-time job and you did it every day, you probably could do that. But for all the stackers, especially youth, young stackers, everybody, you need to hold this. You need to buy it and you need to hold it. It's a hedge against inflation. It's a hedge against the dollar, the pound, the ruble, the whatever, your European currencies, everybody. It's a hedge against that, guys. And hey, look, I hate to say this, but we're probably going to digital currency at some point. And be honest with you, you know what I'm going to have? I'm going to have silver. I'm going to have gold. I'm going to have gold backs, especially gold backs. Especially gold backs. Speaking of gold backs, everybody, 10.06, same as they were Saturday, because hey, we're down on gold, right? And we might be down on gold today. So today, after what is it? My time would be 11 o'clock Central Standard Time. The gold back rate, exchange rate will change. Goldbacks will go down, and it'll be another buying opportunity for goldbacks for you guys. So just like when we say buying on the dip for silver and gold, buy on the dip for goldbacks also, because on the dip, they go down and you can save some money and you can buy quite a lot more goldbacks. So, but goldbacks, man, I just believe that they're 24 karat gold, guys, that they're going to be the future currency. They're just taking off like wildfire. And I remember when I first started this channel and I started talking about goldbacks, because I was against them. I was like, oh no, goldback, what? No. But when I first started the channel, after I'd done my own research and talked to a lot of people and everything, I decided, well, I'm going to get some goldbacks and started talking about goldbacks. And guys, they have taken off ever since. Throughout many different states, they're announcing different states all the time. And I do believe having a currency like this that's backed by gold, 24 karat gold, is backed by gold. Guys, I think it's a smart stack also for the future. So let's move on to our base metals, guys. Our base metals are down just a little bit. It shows that copper's up a penny, but it's really not. It's down from 580. It's at 578 right now. Nickel, that's another one. Copper's another one that's going to be big at some point. 783 on nickel, guys. Who knows? Who knows about nickel? So $1.58, it's a gamble just like everything else, guys. Zinc is $1.47 and lead is at 85. Let's look at the Bitcoin. So all of you that do Bitcoin, you'll be happy that it actually went up a little bit. So it's at 73,216.49. It's a digital currency, guys. I personally am going to hold my stuff, my silver, gold, goldbacks, my numismatics, my world coins, my copper. I personally am going to hold all of my stuff and not have a digital wallet that somebody can steal. It's just too risky for me, so I'm kind of staying out of that, and that's just the way it is. Hey, let's go to Shanghai. Shanghai, 90.46 on silver. 90.46 on silver right now, everybody. Western spot, they're showing 79.04, but we've already looked at that. The COMEX is 78. Let's see what it is here. Let me refresh it. COMEX doesn't refresh it. Self. So it's at 78.76, and we're at 78.38. So really, the physical spot price in the COMEX is pretty close. It's kind of strange, everybody. But China, let's look at India silver. India is at 87.64, so quite a bit higher than we are. I still think silver's going to go up. The shortage of the metals is still there. That's not going away, everybody. What is really driving a big driver right now? $99 a barrel crude oil. When oil tends to go up, guess what happens? Silver goes down, gold goes down, our precious metals, our safe havens. And like I've talked before, people are looking into crude, so they pull out of things like silver and gold, and mainly silver, I think, and then they wrap into things like oil. So, paper-driven stuff, right? Paper-driven. So we rely, unfortunately, on the paper pushers to drive our spot prices of physical silver up. So that's why I'm a big advocate for, only one price on silver. Only one price. If you want silver, you have to buy physical silver. You cannot use paper and build some sort of little paper contract and buy silver that way and make money on paper. You have to buy the physical silver and own that physical silver. And then, you know, hey, if you want to sell it, then go ahead and sell it. You know, sell your physical silver. You know, if it's in a big warehouse somewhere, you can sell it just like everything else. But there should really only be one price on silver, and that's the physical silver, guys. That's my kicker, and that's what I'm sticking with. I feel that way. Happy coffee, happy Monday, everybody. Let's look at some foreign world coins, everybody. Let's get at it. So I decided to change it up just a little bit, everybody, and look at some 90s stuff. And so I picked out a few 90s stuff that we'll check out this morning. Still got my stuff out from yesterday on my copper from Super Copper Sunday, guys. Thanks for that video yesterday, for watching us and supporting us, everybody. So let's check out, we got Aruba 1993, beautiful little coin. Let's turn on our light. And 25 cents. Aruba, everybody. Beautiful coin. Really cool. 1993 Aruba. Another one to show, another one to teach with. So, Dominican Republic, guys. We've got another one of these. 1991. Pretty awesome Dominican Republic coin. Dominican Republic is, you know, is pretty awesome. So, has anybody ever been there on vacation? Let's look at that. Beautiful coin. They're really neat coins. Hey guys, you ought to get you some of these. They're really a lot of fun to study up on. France, we haven't shown one of these, everybody. 1993 France. Don't know how to pronounce that, but oh well. So beautiful French coin. Really cool. You would think, hey, that looks like gold. Well, don't let that fool you, everybody. So put that one in the stack. And then we've got an Italy, a 96 Italy. I think it's 200 lire, the 100th anniversary. So that's a cool coin to have. So I'm definitely going to set that one aside. I'm just now seeing these, guys, just like you. I'm just now seeing these coins. 100th anniversary Italy coin. Really cool. That's awesome. Yeah, that one's definitely, you know, kind of a special coin. So we'll put that one over here. And then we've got a Botswana. I don't think we've shown a Botswana. I don't know if we have any viewers in Botswana, but 1996, beautiful coin. That thing is in excellent condition. 1996. Guys, you got to remember, that thing is 30 years old. So maybe in another 100 years, these things will have some value. I'll just pass these down to the grandkids. And they can maybe pass these down to their kids or their grandkids and have, you know, that's what happens. Just like all of our other coins, they get passed down over hundreds of years and they actually have value. So let's move on and talk a little bit about what we're going to do tomorrow. Actually, we're not going to talk about what we're going to do tomorrow. What we are going to talk about is we're going to go over the silver prices and gold prices one more time, guys, and then we're going to get ready and load this and head off to work. It's getting close, guys. I think this will load about 6 o'clock, maybe 5:30. We'll just see what happens. But once again, we appreciate everybody. Thanks for watching us. Gold is at 49.76 even. 41.70 down today, everybody. Silver is down to 78.13. Are we going to hit 77, 75 today? Are we going to go back up to 80? Are we going to go back up to that 481 that they talked about? So everyone, make sure you leave your comments right down there in the little comment field. Hit that little bell notification button that tells you when I post these videos, and like and subscribe. We would really appreciate it. SSC, happy Monday, or Is it really happy Monday? I don't know. If you got to go to work, I get to work this Saturday, so I got a 6-day week coming up this week. So everybody have a fantastic Monday. All good on silver and gold, nothing negative. Buying opportunity, guys. SSC, Oklahoma, United States, America. I'm out.